Welcome. My name is Rhitaban Ray, and I am a fourth year supply chain major student studying at Sheridan College as part of their BBA program. And over these next 3 minutes, I'll present to you my undergraduate competency development. With this project, my goal has been to always develop on my curiosity and imagination competency, more specifically, the making connections to existing knowledge behavior part. This brings me to my SMART goal. With the competency and behavior that I want to develop, I established the SMART goal that you see up on the screen. Being a type 3 learner and having a learning philosophy based on experimentation, testing out ideas, and growing from failure, I created this experiment in order to achieve my goal and test out all three methods. The first week was utilized to learn the methods and create an Excel sheet, noting all my assignments to track the progress. In my planning, I decided to start with the Eisenhower matrix, then eat the frog, and then lastly time blocking method. The final week is to analyze the process and establish a conclusion on my goal. So far, I have not progressed over 50% into this project and thus far only have completed the Eisenhower matrix. This method encourages the person to categorize their tasks into 4 categories: a do first, schedule, delegate, and delete. The positives of this method has allowed me to prioritize the tasks depending on when they need to be done by, how long it'll take to complete, and how important they are. The negatives of this method was not being able to utilize it to its full potential. In its current stage, I did not have any tasks that I could delegate properly or delete, which limits me to only do first and schedule. I learned that the tasks I will be doing can heavily influence which time management methods will be efficient. For instance, in the second half of the semester, I will have more group projects which will let me start utilizing 75% of the matrix. Throughout this process, I had 2 questions which I wanted to get answered, as you can see in the presentation. To answer these, I utilized 2 peer-reviewed sources, which provides me insight and allows me to answer these 2 questions. From the sources, we discover that in addition to time management effects on performance and results, quote, time management has a moderate influence on job performance, academic achievement, and well-being. This answers both my questions, as it's also stated that the importance of time management is hard to overstate. Thirdly, it is stated by Van Herde that time management is also important for creativity. Therefore, time management can and does affect other factors and provides a moderate amount of value as per the 2 articles, which will be shown later. With my understanding of this process thus far and the outcome of the Eisenhower matrix, I am now in the process of going through the Eat the Frog method. The current plan outlines that my last week of this project will be week 8. However, due to my understanding that time management methods can be very dependent on the type of tasks, I want to continue learning different time management methods and continuing this process after the semester to find out which works based on the context and then further developing my curiosity and imagination competency. Thank you for listening to my 3-minute presentation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask, as I would love to answer them and clear up any confusion. These are the sources that I've utilized throughout this project. Thank you.